anak na to. Natagal ko siya. Balik-balik.
Hindi na ako makabalik.
Sumasalisi siya sa akin. Eh, paano pag nabuntis ka? Paano pag nawala ka?
What would you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome, ugly girl.
Why you call me ugly?
Ooh.
Wow.
Mm.
I look at the...
Mm. For you.
Happy, my love. La 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 la. Dito ako maglalagay ng harang para sa kanya. O yan o. Tamo? Nandito ako, bastos. Lumabas lang siya. Di ba? Wala siyang mirrors. Shopee, get inside. Get inside. Di ba? So, pag ang problema kasi dito, pag nagsasampay ako sa labas, dito kasi yung sampayan ko, at the back, ang problema niya, sumasalisi siya sa akin, eh paano pag nabuntis ka? Paano pag nawala ka? Paano pag pinagalitan tayo dito dahil pag galak-galak ka, eh bawal aso dito?
Nangyari is, alabas siya doon. Tapos, hindi ko, nabang nag-busy ako dito, lumalabas siya doon, eh ayoko naman siyang itali. Kaya, gusto ko, maglalagay ako rito sa boundaries ng bahay neto. Boundaries. Mabait naman tong si Shopee. Hindi siya lumalabas ng, tapos hindi tapos, oh my God. Hala. Ewan kung kakasya to. Kasi ito lang yung binili ko. Tingnan natin kung kakasya siya. Sorry. Ang layo ng distance niya pa sa next na neighbors. So, safe. Kunyari, may bata or may ano. So, pwedeng pa ganyan. Lock na siya kagad. Pwedeng pa ganyan. Aray ko. Nol. Pwede pa ganyan. Shopee ka inside. Get inside. Lalak mo na lang. Tapos, pwede siyang pumunta rito sa likodan. Saka sa harapan. So, yun. Taste-taste lang. Kasi may dog ka, kailangan gastusan mo. Parang family member na siya. Ang kailangan mo gagastusan. Right, Shopee? Hindi na pa siya labas na labas eh. Perfect. Okay. Guys, ang daming nababother dito. Huwag na daw ilagay dito sa CR. Is, lagay dito, magbubutas. Kaso lang, ayoko na kasi magbutas. Pansin nyo guys yung workflow. Dito, dito, dito. So, kaya gusto ko siya na nandito. Tapos may nagsuggest, ilagay na lang daw dito. So, tingnan natin. Iurong natin siya ng konti para hindi siya masyadong bulky. So, try natin. May nagsabi na, ito daw is, ilagay mo lang dito. At maglagay ng stopper dito sa taas. May sabon to. Na to, nagaling doon. Sobrang tikip pa naman niya. Nilagay natin dito. But the problem here is ano siya mag-work. Yung nilagay kong pang ano dito, tinanggal ko. Kaso syempre hindi na pwede yung adhesive niya. So ito, malinis na. Buti na lang, mayroon pa ako nito. Aish! Yan. So, aanuhin ko na lang siya probably. Ikakat. Kasi, oh, ay! Bongga. So dito. God, gano'n ko dapat? Yan. Yan. Tapos, perfect. Let's put here. So, ito, kailangan, ito, ayan, nakalock siya dyan. Ayan, nakalock. Nakalock yan dyan. So, kailangan ko siyang talian para lagyan ko na lang para hindi siya pag nabangga or something, hindi siya matanggal sa ano, sa hook. Parang kailangan pa ng isa pa ulit. Ang galing. Ang ganda talaga. Thank you so much for the suggestion. You comment down below more if you have a suggestion more. Definitely we're going to do it. I really do appreciate it. Sobrang, you're right. You are very much correct. I love it! Yan. Yung workflow ko, as in much better or the same length but definitely much way better kesa ilagay ko doon. So inurong ko siya para diretso lang. Ayan. Sobrang galing. Inurong ko siya. Ayan, di ba? Pantay lang siya sa wall. Kaya, ayan. Sobrang ganda. Thank you again. Oh my God. I have something for you.
Where?
In the house.
No, the car.
I'm coming. Together. Like this. Wait. I'll do it. The house is clean. That's all.
What is it?
You.
Please, Mommy. I want
And this one is gonna be good enough. Because your hair is always messy. That will be enough. Take a look at it if it's good enough for the... This one is too big. So try that one. Oh, it's not enough. Oh no. Perfect. For you.
What is this?
Coin purse for your money. Time you have a ugly hair like all the time. So let's try to do that. 1, 2, 3.
I don't see it like
Then I see you show to subscriber. Okay, let me see. Turn around. Oh.
Yeah. Don't. Ayan. I tried this. What was that? Interesting. What's that?
Okay. So, ayoko talaga na nandito. Ito, ayoko na naka-expose siya dyan. Kasi, nakapangitan ako. Ang pangit ko na nga, tas pangit pa yan, di ba? It's not giving. So, alisin natin po. I don't like this one because we can still let the air inside and doesn't build the mold because still has enough hole.
No, laugh your hand. Mommy, I don't know where to put my crayon. Where's my mommy? Mommy, where's the small bag for my mommy? Mommy.
Yes.
Look at this, mommy.
Wait, my love.
Is this quick? Can you open?
Wait, my love. I'm busy.
Okay.
Thank you.
Our big one open.
Okay.
Ready?
You'll show me later. Wait a second. I would like to see it. Wait a second. Okay, perfect.
What do you want to see? Here.
Can you help me put this? Diring-diring. Ay, grabe. Diring-diring. Okay, close it. Thank you, Ella.
If you open it's like this, if you close it's like this, if you open again it's like this, if you close.
Oh. Yeah.
Not pink rabbits. Why is it pink? Why is it not white? Because rabbits or
Nagpagsabi na hindi daw to ideal. Kasi to, tas ayan. Sino nakakaisip nito? Diba gunggong lang. So, gagawin natin ito. Lagay ko na lang dito. Pantay dito. Hi guys, good morning. Oh my god. The wind is too strong. And it comes from here at the back. We don't have electricity. I'm glad we don't have. Yeah, we don't have electricity. So we just open this door. So the typhoon starts last night. Look at the.
Mommy, wow!
Yeah.
I saw that because I'm the first one to wake up.
You are?
Yes.
You're professional.
I was playing some games. I went out.
Pakipasok na lang, sir. Okay lang ba? Come here. Come. Yun. Thank you, sir.
feel sorry for Kuya. That's 40 kilos yan.
Lakas ni Kuya na buhat na to.
Natagal ko siya.
To make sure that this is really 40 kilos.
Why 2 kilos is missing? Ito ba? Lagay pa natin to.
Kasama ba tong mga to?
For all the ladies that are afraid to gain muscle or lifting weight, this is it, guys. Now I found out that all the actresses, old or young actresses, this is their secret to make them safe. Even Kim Chiu, the teeniest one, they do weightlifting to make themselves thin and fit. This is their secret. I thought you're gonna be bulky if you're going to do this lifting or something. No, that's why I was wondering how you guys keeping yourself so fit. I am thinking, because I am shy to go to the gym or something, I am not ready for that. I am thinking to hire someone like online and buy little some equipments. I know this is not a lot, but going to gym is more, but I'm not ready for that yet. So I will be doing it at home for now, probably a couple of months, and then later on, because I will be needing a bigger and heavier equipment later on, but this time I will be stick to this for now. I really want to target my glutes, because if I get thin, I don't have any butt like left. It's gone. It's visible. Invisible. So if I able to grow my glutes a little, but in 3 months and that more and more and more, I'm okay with that. But as of now, if you guys have a recommendation for an online coach of doing the gym and not expensive, because we're we're struggling, I will be appreciated. It will be appreciated. Tama ba yun? Basta makakatulong is gonna be a big help. To get an idea, I went past by to a gym nearby, and I see how much it is, and I think my budget is we cannot. I cannot. I know health is wealth. So as of now, I will just invest like this for now, and then I will probably can afford a online coach. We will see.
It says on the video, under the shoulder belly. Wait, magpalit lang ako para social. Wait. Okay. Only 100 pesos is. Never mind that. Oh, I need bench to properly set up. Because I was like, I'm thinking if I'm gonna do like gym member, like my daughter did. Like I supported her gym also. She lost a lot of weight. That's my 18 years old daughter. She used to be like this, now she's like that. What an amazing daughter. And weightlifting, oh my goodness. I thought, guys, weightlifting is bad for your muscle. You're gonna be so muscular. I didn't know that you need it. You really need it. This is gonna be more effective than Zumba. Because I saw my mom or I saw some other women that doing Zumba, but they never did the weightlifting. So, I'm sorry, mom, but like, and even some of my friends, like, they've been doing the Zumba for years. And I don't see any result, like still the same. They're happy, that's good. They're happy and they're healthy. But the thing here is, I want the tone one, like that. I like the booty. So I saw the difference between the people that who lifting and then the people that don't. It's way big difference. So I didn't know that you have to have a muscle to boost your metabolism so you can burn more fat. I don't want to be just in. I want it to be fit. Tulong. Okay, comport. Oh. Wow. Is this perfect? Comment down below, guys, if I'm doing correctly. Wow. Oh, and wow, my butt is really tightening. I don't know if I need more mat and bench. Feel sexy, my man. Not feel sexy na. Whew. Whew. This one, I need... I need more equipment. Like I said, guys, I just don't want to be like thin. Because when I thin, everything is sagging. So I would like it to be toned up. And my booty. So let's see if I'm able to make it.
Ang social nitong phone case. Oh, pak, sino ka dyan? Kasi ito, bumili ako kasi itong S20 Note nabasag ko. I destroy it. Why? Because it doesn't have anything to protect. Unlike this one, this has this thing. So every time you drop your phone, it's not going to chip up your chip. No, basta broken. It's good buying na. But yeah, I am using. So I bought S22, and this one is S20. This is I usually do use. So I made sure that they have the same. This one is silver, and this one is gold. So fancy. I am using this one for edit and doing vlog. I'm only using phone, and this one because I am afraid this one might get lost or something or break, so I need to buy another one. So I just bought this one last month, and S20, and this one is S2. This one is S20. This one is S22 Ultra.
And shout out po sa one of our subscriber who
recognize us there. Shout out po and also to your kids.
Una na
Thank you
kami,
so much
bye.
for always supporting us. Nice meeting you po, ate.
Goes here. Mommy, I think your face. How do you close it? Okay. What is it?
This is...
Don't tell me. I want surprise.
You want surprise? Okay, close your eyes. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
What is this?
Tara!
Why is the boots? What is in the
I'm just joking. This is from the rep. I was supposed to eat that. Okay, close your eye. Oh, here. Vegetable.
I want strawberry.
This is the first time we're going to try that. Okay, let's try.
You try this first.
Okay.
And I try thank you.
You're welcome, ugly girl.
Why you call me ugly?
Ooh.
Wow.
Mm.
I look at the...
Mm.
Mommy, when I take it, it's like this. Do you like a strawberry most?
Yeah, it's okay.
I don't like it.
Put it in your mouth.
I can have this.
Melt it. Mmm! This one is good! It's so soft! Mmm! Come on, put it all. Right? Mmm! Mmm!
Too sour. I want this. Order more.
Mmm!
What do you want color?
Egg.
They all instantly screamed in horror. They couldn't believe that the perfect Barbie was aging. After a discussion about the Barbies, they decided to send
I'm just
Barbie
gonna put
to
like
beauty
this,
parlor
okay?
to ask her
Walang kakainin dito. Hindi na. Oh, pretending ka, oh.
Mr. Beast. You know, essentials. Oh my gosh. All this money and these nuts? I'm out of here. See ya, Mr. Beast. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my god. That's a crown.
I personally think carrots is different species.